Hey, look at somebody's child. Look at beauty. Guys, look at this wig. Eh? Look at how natural it looks. Oh, this is outside. You think I'm joking? Look at how natural it looks with no baby hair. Please, I don't need baby hair for this. Ah, the lace is perfect. Baby hair who? My Nigerian accent is coming out, guys. That's how much I love this hair. Let me show you guys the back. You think I'm playing? Look at the back, okay? Look at that cut. We're going to be installing this gorgeous wig from MyFirstWig. So this gorgeous wig is from MyFirstWig, and this is the packaging, okay? And they gave me a cool gift to, I guess, store the wig. But let me show you guys what it looks like inside. Really cute packaging. I love the way they packaged it. They give you extra gifts, of course, with some clips, and they give you some flyaway tamer. And let me show you guys what this hair look like. So this is the details of the hair. Is Yaki texture, 10-inch, natural color 1B, and the cap size. So let me show you guys the hair. I'm so excited for this. Oh wow. The first thing I'm noticing with this wig is the lace is really thin. Like, can you see how transparent this lace is? Like, can you see it with the air? How transparent it is? And it's beautifully customized as well. It's already pre-plucked. And this is the Yaki texture. The texture, this is like a Yaki. So I wore this wig twice already, right? This first time I wore it, I did not tint the lace. So I'm going to show you guys what the lace look like without tinting the lace, and also with tinting the lace, okay? Oh my god, I love it already. This is going to be the most easiest wig for me to install, because when I tell you I'm not gonna even tint the lace, like, just look at how beautiful the lace is. And the hairline is so pretty. And the texture is so pretty. Alright, so we're just gonna cut off the lace, right? And just like rock this wig. So beautiful. Guys, this is gonna be my favorite bob wig like ever. So now I'm just gonna add some got-to-be spray and show you guys how this lace is just gonna melt into my skin. Like the lace is so transparent, guys. Truly transparent. And this is the lace without me tinting it yet or adding any type of makeup into it yet. And it looks like this. Okay, like this is not my skin, but this is as close to my skin as the lace can get. And I'm just gonna cut the other side the same way. So while I was cutting the other side, I didn't follow the hairline exactly as I did in the first side I showed you guys. So when I was cutting this side, I didn't follow the hairline as closely as I should. So make sure you follow it as close as you can if you want to make it look really natural, and yeah, to remove those little excess lace in the front. So I didn't really like take them out, so I didn't realize it until after I was done filming this part. I was like, oh shit, I didn't cut the lace all the way close to the hairline. And then I already put the Got2b spray, so I was like, you know what, it's fine. So I'll show you guys what it looks like without tinting the lace, and then I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like with me tinting the lace. Okay, we're still on to installing this wig without tinting, but at this point I had added some eco gel and my makeup powder around the hairline. I tied it down, and this is what it looks like with just like my makeup powder. Okay, and then I just use my hot comb to comb it down, and the texture is just so pretty. Look at that cut. What? Look at that cut, guys. I love that this hair is 10-inch, very short and just beautiful. Okay, now you've seen what the wig looks like with just my powder. I'm going to show you what it looks like even more natural using the tint spray. Now this is what the lace look like when it's tinted, and this is outside, guys. They look so natural and just like invisible, and you can't really tell the difference between the lace and my skin. And this is the hair. So now I'm going to show you how I got it to look like this. Alright, so you want to really work that tint spray all over the lace, especially on the edges of the lace in front. Make sure you get all the tint around the lace in the hairline. Okay, and that's what I'm doing now. And after putting on the tint spray, you're going to have to blow dry it until the tint spray is nice and dry. So this is what it looks like with just the Got2b spray, but we're not done yet. I'm going to add some Cantu Silk Serum. So this is like a serum oil that is not too greasy. So I'm going to try to put it on the lace, but basically the sheen or the shine from the oil is going to kind of reflect your skin through the lace, if that makes sense. But it's that reflection that I'm trying to get with this oil, so that when I go outside, the lace can, like, you know, peek through my skin even more. And then I just add some of the wax stick that they put in the package of this hair, and I just like comb it. And some of the sideburns like got stuck to my skin because of the Gatsby spray, so I just like comb it out. I love it, guys. I've never loved a bob wig as much as I love this one. I don't know if it's the texture, if it's the lace, like everything about this hair is just gorgeous. And you don't have to do too much like to straighten it because of the texture. If you just use your hot comb, it's just going to just like smoothing out and just like be easy for you to just install. It looks so beautiful and just so natural. So this hair is from MyFirstWig. I will leave the link to their websites to get this hair in the description box. I highly recommend you see the excitement in my voice. I highly recommend this wig. Listen, I took my time to shoot this video because I was like, you know what, I need to tell you guys to buy this wig because this wig is good. If you like bob wig, if you like a texture that's not like those silky texture, like this is it. Okay, I love this Yaki texture. So this is what the lace look like in window lights. Looks really natural. The texture is so beautiful. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, subscribe, check out MyFirstWig to get this wig, link in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.